I want to share with you a cool feature about ChatGPT that I think most people probably don't know about. And it is a feature called memories. So ChatGPT actually can remember things that you have told it to reference in all chats going forward. Now, ChatGPT already remembers things from your past chat history, but it doesn't set them in stone. Sometimes it can forget, and it certainly can't remember every single thing from every single chat that you've ever had with it. However, if you ask it to specifically remember something, it will save it in a special category called memories, and it will always remember a memory and it will keep it for all future reference. So I want to show you today what that looks like in ChatGPT, how you can access it, turn it on, how you can see the memories that have been saved, you can delete them, and then how you can add new memories. So let's jump into ChatGPT and let's take a look at that right now. So I've got ChatGPT pulled up here, and this is just the web version. Anybody should be able to see this. These memories are available on the desktop version as well, and I think on the iOS version too. But let's go ahead and take a look here. So first you're going to click on the top right-hand side and go to settings. And then if you click on personalization, this is where you will see the memory setting. Now you can have it reference saved memories by turning this toggle on. Additionally, if you are a plus or a pro user, then you can also have it reference chat history as well. So this is where you can turn it on in the settings. And then if you click on manage memories, you can see everything that it has saved for you. So it saves things like Cody is using a Mac, so it knows that I am using a Mac. I prefer content to be written in a tone and voice as if speaking one-on-one to a friend. It just remembers a lot of things. It can remember things on its own, and then you can also specifically tell it to remember things. So if there's anything in here that you don't want it to remember, like it remembered something like this: Cody's client is working on a New Year harmonization project with their partner Rich. Well, I don't need it to remember that. So I can just hit forget and it will be deleted. That's how you can access memories. You can turn them on, and then you can manage which ones, are saved, and you can delete old ones. Now let's jump over and let's say we want to have it remember something for us. So I can say, please remember that my favorite color is green. So I can say that, and then it should come up with a little thing, updated saved memory right there. And if I hover over it, then I can actually manage it right from here. And as you will see right up at the top, it now says Cody's favorite color is green. So this is how you can have it save new things so that it will remember them going forward all the time. Memories is a cool feature. I would highly recommend that you start to use it. The more you use it, the more it learns about you, and then you will see it start to tailor its responses based on the memories that you gave it. I hope this was helpful. If you are interested in other ChatGPT, AI, or marketing tips, be sure to like, follow, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.